Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to take motion photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this button here, the second from the right. By just one tap here we can turn on the motion photo and another tap to turn it off. Now let me keep this turned on. When we have this, we can get 2-in-1 when we tap on the shutter, the photo and the short clip. So let me show you how it works by taking a picture. Let's get closer to get some space to the camera. This is my object. So let's go back now. And to see the photo, let's move to the left to this button. When we tap here, we get quick access to the gallery. This is our picture, and we have option view motion photo. So when we tap here, we can see the short clip. And this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.